So let us move on to question number 14. So this is a manufacturing unit which has three brands: Coco, Strawberry and Limca. Okay. These are the per units given to you. Direct material per unit, direct labor is 10 rupees per hour, and this is the per unit cost. Production overheads matlab factory overheads. Okay, yeah. Per unit is given to you. 40, 30, 30, 40, 40, 40, 40, 50, 50. And total cost is also given per unit. Okay, yeah. Production, that is units produced, is also given to you. 10,000, 20,000 and 30,000. Correct? Now they are saying the company was absorbing overheads on the basis of direct labor hours. So their overheads recovery rate formula, that is with the old method, is based on overheads divided by direct labor hours. Okay, this information is there in the question. Mr. Dhairya, who has completed his CMA, has been appointed as a management accountant. He suggested that the company should introduce ABC system. So it is Mr. Dhairya who has proposed that the company should go for the new method of calculating overheads, that is under ABCS. So he has identified certain cost drivers and cost pools. So the activity is given to you. There are 4 activities: stores receiving, inspection, dispatch, and machine setup. And cost driver is also given. So actually it's comparatively a easier question because the cost driver is mentioned. Requisition, production runs, orders executed, number of setups. And this is your cost pool. Okay. So this is cost pool, this is cost driver, this is activity. So this information will help me to calculate my cost driver rate under the new method. Okay. Next क्या दिया है? Okay. Number of setups, number of orders, production runs, and purchase requisition. This information will help me to calculate my cost driver capacity, because cost driver rate का formula क्या है? It is cost pool divided by cost driver capacity. Okay, so cost pool मेरे पास है. Yes, I have the numerator and denominator I will get from this information. Am I clear about this? So they have told you to calculate cost, obviously मतलब total cost, जिसको हम cost price भी बोलते हैं, of the 3 products based on their activity, मतलब ABCS system. Am I clear? Is the question clear to everyone? Okay, fine. Thank you. ठीक है, तो let us first calculate CDR. इधर absorption costing नहीं है, traditional method नहीं बोला है calculate करने को, तो we are not doing it. Okay, yeah. Please note this down. Calculation of cost driver rate. So these are your 4 activities as per the question: stores receiving, inspection, dispatch, and machine setup. This is the cost pool given in the question. Yes, see, 2,96,000, 8,94,000, 2,10,000, and 12 lakhs. Okay. Like cost drivers are also given in the question. Cost driver capacity you will have to calculate. How will you do that? Cost driver capacity matlab you are going to calculate the total of this. Okay, so let me show you the total of this, like this. Okay, this way. Show it. So 360 plus 390 plus 450 is how much? 1,200. Just let me see. 360 plus 390 plus 450. Okay, it's 1,200. Okay, next 180 You just have to total it. Yes, 180 plus 270 plus 300, 750. Okay. Why this total is required? To calculate your cost driver capacity. Okay. Next, 750 plus 1050 plus 1200. Okay. Next, 300 plus 450 plus 500. Like this. Okay. So you just have to calculate your totals. So 1250, 3000, 750 and 1200. You have to take the totals of your cost drivers individually. Okay. Yes. Then calculate your cost driver rate. 2,96,000 divided by 1250. 236.8 per requisition. Next, 8,94,000 divided by 8,94,000 divided by 3,000. So 298 per production run, because the cost driver is what? Production run. Okay. Next, 2,10,000 divided by 750. 2,10,000 divided by 750. So 280 per order, because the cost driver is orders executed. Next, 12 lakhs divided by 1200. So it is 1000 per setup, because the cost driver is number of setups. Am I clear about the calculation of cost driver rate? Is it clear to everyone? Okay, thank you. Have you noted down the calculations so that I can move on to the calculation of total cost? Yeah, ABCS is all about identifying your activity, identifying the cost pool, the cost driver, and the cost driver rate. Okay. Yeah. Okay, you're still noting it down. Fine. Once you know your cost drivers, sometimes they give you the cost driver, sometimes they don't. But then, based on the activity, you have to see which can be the best suitable apportionment for that activity. Okay? So आपका cost driver उस हिसाब से decide होगा based on the activity. Okay. So many times they give, but if they don't give, they will definitely give you the information regarding the cost drivers, and it will be, very logical that you will identify that this, if this is the activity, then the cost driver has to be this particular information. Okay. Done now? Clear about this? So now can I move to calculate the total cost? Yeah. So now this is a CDR. Yeah. आपका total cost क्या होगा? Individual CDRs, cost driver rates multiplied with their cost driver capacity. Okay. ये जो भी आपको rate आया है, yeah. So this is the statement of cost. So now we are calculating what? Total cost. So total cost is what? So obviously it is direct cost plus indirect cost. Direct cost is given in the question. Yes, it is given. Direct material and direct wages. And indirect cost तो अभी हमने calculate किया through ABCS. Okay, all those 4 activities, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, ये रहा. ये तो अभी हमने कैलकुलेट किया इनडायरेक्ट कॉस्ट. ओके. So 10,000 units multiplied with 50 rupees per raw material. So 5 lakhs. 20,000 units. 20,000 units multiplied with 40 rupees per raw material. 8 lakhs. 30,000 units multiplied with 40 rupees per unit. So 12 lakhs. Okay. Direct wages. 10,000 into 30 rupees per unit. 20,000 into 40 rupees per unit. 30,000 into 50 rupees per unit. This is what? This is your direct labor. Okay. Total it, you will get what? Prime cost. Okay. So 15 lakhs plus 12 lakhs is how much? 27 lakhs. 8 lakhs plus 8 lakhs is 16 lakhs. 5 plus 3 is 8 lakhs. Okay. And then looking into the store's requisition, yeah, calculate this. So what was your cost driver rate? 236.8. Yeah. Multiplied with, first one was what? Requisition. I'll take it there. Requisition. So requisition is what? 300, 450 and 500. Okay. Yeah. So 236.8 into 300. Yeah. 236.8 into 500. Okay. 236.8 into 400. No, not 400. 450. 236.8 into 450. So 1,06,560. Okay. Then inspection. So inspection is how much? Production runs. 750, 1050 and 1200. Okay. So 298 into 750, 2,23,500. 298 into 1050, 3,12,900. 298 into 1200. Okay, quantity multiplied with rate. Simple as that. Dispatch. Dispatch is what? Number of orders. So 280 per order into 180. Okay. Next 270 orders into 180 per order. 180, 280. So 50, 75, 600. Next is what? 280 per order. Na? So 280 into 300. So 84,000. Okay. Next is machine setup. 1,000 rupees per setup. So 360 setups into 1,000. So 3,60,000. Okay. 390 setups into 1,000. 3,90,000 and 450 setups into 1,000 per setup. 4,50,000. Okay. Is this clear to everyone? Just total it. You will get your total cost divided with your units produced. You will get your cost price. Okay. That is what they want you to calculate. Correct? Is it clear till here? Is it clear to everyone? Just acknowledge it in the chat box. Divide this with 30,000 units. So you get 123.6666. Okay. Yeah. 16 lakhs plus 1,06,560 plus 3,12,900 plus 75,600 plus 3,90,000. Okay. Yeah. Divide this with your units produced. Okay. So 124.25. Is it clear to everyone? Understanding? Okay, so this completes our next sum also. So next lecture, we'll take a different question. Okay.